Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to generate crown molding in kitchen. Let's try it together. Step 1. Enter Generate Crown Molding page. Go to Interior Design Tools. Select Advanced Tool, Kitchen and Bath. Then select the Generate Crown Molding from the top toolbar. Step 2. Select cabinets as Need. After entering the Generate Crown Molding page, the tool will automatically identify the cabinets that need to generate crown moldings. You can also press and hold Shift to select multiple cabinets for generation. If you need to identify all cabinets, you can click Auto Select. Step 3. Set crown molding parameters. Select Add crown molding style and material in the right basic panel. If you check Generate Wrap, it will fit for cabinets with crown moldings and adding wraps for the cabinets with crown moldings. After adjusting the specific parameters, click Generate. Step 4. Adjust crown molding generation range. If you need to freely adjust the range of the crown molding generation, click Manual Edit in the top bar to enter the manual mode. Switch to 2D mode. Use the drawing tools on the top bar to edit edge and add rectangle. You can manually edit points and lines or enter values for precise adjustments. After the adjustments are completed, click Generate. Then click Finish to exit the Generate Crown Molding interface. The Generate Crown Molding effect is as follows. That's all, thanks for watching.